Let's talk about building wealth. We all know it's important to save, but what if I told you that where you save your money is just as important as how much you save? Today, we are diving into a powerful, lifelong strategy designed to do just that: maximize your growth and keep more of your hard-earned money away from the tax man. Let's get right into it. So, here's the big question, right? You've got an extra dollar to invest. Where does it go? Your 401k, a Roth IRA, maybe a regular brokerage account? Honestly, the options can feel kind of overwhelming, but having a clear, simple system to answer this one question, well, that is the absolute key to building serious, long-term wealth. And that system is the three-bucket strategy. The best way to think about it is like a financial filing cabinet. Instead of just throwing all your investments into one messy pile, you organize them neatly based on one thing: how they're taxed. This simple idea completely changes the game. And the results, as you're about to see, are huge. Okay, let's break down the three buckets. First up, the all-star, the tax-free bucket. This is your Roth IRA, your Roth 401k, your HSA. You use money that's already been taxed, but the magic is that all the growth and, more importantly, all your withdrawals and retirement are 100% tax-free. Next, we have the tax-deferred bucket. Think of your traditional 401k. You get a nice tax break today. The money grows without taxes slowing it down, but you will pay income tax when you take it out in retirement. And finally, there's the after-tax bucket. This is your standard brokerage account. You put after-tax money in, and when you sell your investments, you pay capital gains tax on the profits. Each bucket has a job to do, and we're going to see exactly how to use them. So here's our game plan. First, we're going to meet our case study, a guy named Manny. Then we'll follow him decade by decade, building his foundation in his 20s, navigating the messy middle of his 30s, hitting his stride in his 40s, and finally sticking the landing as he prepares for retirement. All right, let's meet the star of our show, Manny. We are going to follow his entire financial journey from age 25 all the way to 65 to see how this three-bucket strategy actually plays out in the real world over a 40-year career. Now, to keep this simple and consistent, we've set a few ground rules for Manny. He's a great saver, putting away 25% of his income every single year, starting at age 25. He kicks things off with a $50,000 salary, gets a steady 5% raise each year, and he's smart. He always contributes enough to get his full employer 401k match. He follows a proven system, and we're about to see how that discipline pays off. And we begin in the 20s. This is the foundation. And let me be clear. Every single dollar you invest in this decade is the most powerful dollar you will ever save. Why? Because it has the most time to grow and compound. The goal here is simple: build a massive, unstoppable, tax-free army. Now, one of the superheroes in this tax-free world is the Health Savings Account, or HSA. It's got something truly special called the Triple Tax Advantage. Check this out. Your contributions are tax-deductible, saving you money now. The money grows completely tax-free, and your withdrawals are tax-free as long as they're for medical costs. It is, without a doubt, the most powerful investment account out there. So, after just 5 years of saving, from age 25 through 29, where does Manny land? By the time he turns 30, he's already built a portfolio of nearly $91,000. This is our first real glimpse of how powerful consistency is. He's only been in the workforce a few years, but his army of dollars is already getting pretty big. So let's look at what that 91 grand is made of. A whopping 88% of it is sitting in that beautiful tax-free bucket. That's from him maxing out his Roth IRA and HSA. So what about the other 12% in the tax-deferred bucket? That's not even his money. That's all from his employer's 401k match. You see the strategy? He's front-loading the most valuable bucket while his income is still relatively low. It's brilliant. Okay, on to the 30s, a decade we like to call the messy middle. This is where life just happens, right? Mortgages, maybe kids, careers get more demanding, expenses go up. This is the decade where your discipline is truly put to the test, and staying the course is everything. As Manny's career takes off, the strategy needs to adapt a little. His income keeps going up, and he might soon earn too much to contribute directly to a Roth IRA. No problem, he'll just use what's called the backdoor Roth, which is a totally legal workaround. And as he climbs into higher tax brackets, getting a tax deduction now by using a pre-tax 401k starts to look really, really good. Life changes, and the plan has to be flexible enough to change with it. So even with all the chaos of the messy middle, Manny sticks with the plan. And the result? It is just staggering. By the time he turns 40, his portfolio has exploded to over $500,000, $530,000. That's more than a five-fold increase in just 10 years. This is where you really start to feel the magic of compounding taking over. And check this out. Even though the total amount of money has skyrocketed, look at the allocation between the buckets. It is almost identical to where it was at age 30. He is still laser-focused on prioritizing that tax-free bucket, making sure that the biggest part of this incredible growth will be all his in retirement. No taxes due. All right, let's enter the 40s. Folks, this is the decade where you really hit your stride. You're likely in your peak earning years, and something incredible starts to happen. Your investment portfolio starts growing by more each year than you're even saving. Your money is now officially your hardest working employee. And here it is, the huge milestone. Sometime around age 49, thanks to years of discipline, Manny officially becomes a millionaire. This isn't luck. This isn't a fluke. It's the predictable, incredible outcome of having a solid plan and sticking to it year after year. By the time he celebrates his 50th birthday, Manny's portfolio has swelled to an incredible $1.7 million. Just think about that acceleration. In his 20s, he built up about $90K. In his 30s, he added over $400K. But in his 40s, he added over $1 million. The growth curve becomes almost vertical. Now, looking at the mix, we see something new for the first time. That tiny little sliver, just 0.5%, popping up in the after-tax bucket. So what's going on? Manny has entered what we call hyper-accumulation. He is maxing out every single tax-advantaged account available to him, and he still has money left over to invest. So that extra cash goes into his after-tax brokerage account. And now we've reached the final phase, landing the plane. For 40 years, the entire focus has been on accumulation, building this massive mountain of assets. Now the goal shifts completely. It's all about distribution. How do you safely and tax-efficiently turn this pile of wealth into a steady income stream for the rest of your life? Well, the withdrawal strategy is just as important as the savings strategy, and it's beautifully simple. It's called LIFO, last in, first out. Remember that after-tax brokerage account he just started funding? That's the first bucket he'll spend from in retirement. Next, he'll tap into his tax-deferred accounts, carefully managing how much he takes out to keep his income taxes low. And that massive tax-free bucket he started building back in his 20s, he's going to treat that like a sacred treasure chest, letting it continue to grow tax-free for as long as humanly possible. And so after 40 years of discipline, of consistency, of following the plan, here is the grand finale. At age 65, Manny is ready to retire with a portfolio worth nearly $6.4 million from a $50,000 starting salary. It's just incredible. This is the power of a simple system executed over a lifetime. But the final number isn't even the best part. It's the composition of that wealth that shows the true genius of the strategy. He has $4.6 million sitting in his tax-free bucket. That is a life-changing amount of money that he can use without ever paying a single dime in taxes. He's got another $1.1 million in his tax-deferred bucket and over $600,000 in his after-tax account for total flexibility. He is in complete control of his retirement. So, what's the secret sauce here? How did he do it? It wasn't about trying to get rich quick or picking the perfect stock. It really boiled down to three very simple things. First, discipline. He always lived on less than he made. Second, an early start. Those dollars he invested at 25 did almost all of the heavy lifting. And third, he had a system. He always knew exactly where his next dollar should go. These are principles that absolutely anyone can follow. Look, Manny's journey shows what's possible with a clear strategy and consistent effort. Your financial future isn't something that just happens to you. It's a story that you are actively writing with every single dollar you save and invest. So the only question left is, what will your first chapter be?